Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to introduce to you a new project called Sone Ki Chidiya. If you are someone who likes joining crypto projects early, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to download the app, how to create your account, a quick tour of the website. We are going to look at the project white paper. Then we are also going to know what Sone Ki Chidiya is all about, that is SKC. So to get started, all you need to do is just to locate the link in my bio and also check the comment section and download the app. You have to use my invitation code so that you will receive $20 worth of SKC for signing up reward. Then start completing daily tasks to earn more SKC. Make sure you use my code to receive this $20 worth of SKC. So once you tap on the link, it's going to bring you to this interface where you will see the project down of Justice, the sovereign claim. You can as well download the app here on the Google Play Store or the web app. So we are going to download the app on the Google web. So once you tap on the link, it's going to bring you to your Play Store. You have to download it. You need to install the app. So allow the app to install. After that, we are now going to open it. So after downloading the app, you are going to click on open. So you are going to do what now? You don't have an account yet. The next thing you need to do is to create account. You can see here that say create account. Tap on that create account. So here you are going to select your country. If you are in India, you leave it. If you are in Bangladesh, you leave it. If you are in other countries, you tap on other. Now here, so you are going to put your full legal name and you're going to put an email address. You can see it here. And you're going to put my referral code. Make sure you use my invitation code to receive $20 worth of SKC. It is important to use invitation code. Now, after that, you're going to click on send verification code. So they are going to send you OTP message to your email and you are going to put that 6-digit OTP here. After that, you create an account and secure device. So this is basically how to register. I'm going to do that quickly and register an account. So the next thing you need to do is you need to secure your account. You have to secure your account using your passkey. Whatever thing that you use to open your phone, you can as well use it to secure your account. I'm going to do that right away. So here is the identity. You can see secured. So you must make sure to secure your identity. Do not disclose it because this is your recovery code. If you want to log in to your account, you must use this recovery code to log in. So make sure you copy it and save it somewhere safe. Do not just leave it like that. Do not disclose it to anyone. Save it. It is your recovery code. So you are going to click on saved. But before then, you have to click on copy and copy it and save in your clipboard. If possible, write it down on a piece of paper so that you will not lose access to your wallet. It is very, very important to do this. So I'm going to click on copy to clipboard. So once you register, if you use a code, if you use my code, you are going to receive this welcome bonus, this $20 worth of SKC. And here you are going to see your invitation code. You can copy it and share to your friends and families to mine more on this platform. So here is how to earn more SKC. There are several ways to earn on this platform. Number one is to light the magic lamp. We are going to see it. And you also need to complete the daily tasks. You have to invite your friends and you build your referral team. Then you have to also stay active on the platform. These are several ways to earn on this platform. Let's explore the chat first. Let's see what chat is all about. So this is the chat room. You can chat in the room just to stay active. You can type anything. Hello, how are you doing today? Hello, how are you doing today? You can just ask any question and send it. Can you see my question? Hello, how are you doing today? This will help you to stay active on the platform. It doesn't take anything just to chat on the chat room. Now let's explore more. So if you come to the temple, you tap on the temple. So this is where you light the magic lamp. So you need to light it. How do you light it? Just click on light here. Just tap on it, allow it. Can you see reward added? Lamp light successful, and you have received 50,000 SKC has been added to your SKC balance. Can you see 50,000? So this is it. And they say your prayer has been recorded. The down is coming. This is another way to earn more SKC from this platform. Now let's return back. We are now going to click on honor. Tap on this one. So here is, you need to do invite your friends. You need to invite. You are going to see your invite link, my invitation code. This is your invitation code. This is the Hall of Honor. So take your time and explore the app. Mind you that this platform is still a brand new platform. The earlier you join on, the more SKC token you are going to accumulate before the final listing of this coin. And make sure you use an invitation code, which is going to be in the description of this video, so that you can receive that welcome bonus. It is very, very important. Now you click on this share. So they said here on the share, this is daily share. You missed Bitcoin 10 years ago. Are you going to miss out Sone Ki Chidiya, which is being snapped up globally? So this was the share you need to do. You need to share this to encourage people to join this platform. And if you share it, look at it. If you share it here, you're going to receive 50,000 SKC. So I'm going to click on this share to share it for today. These are the daily tasks you do. Can you see? I can copy it like this. I can copy it like this. Copy or share directly to my WhatsApp. So you are going to receive 50,000 SKC. Now let's return back to the home. Can you see my balance is increasing more and more? The more you do tasks, the more your SKC balance increase. This is the 3 tasks I have done today, and I have increased it. Now you see my personal, tap on this. So once you see, come to personal, there is nothing much here on personal. It's just for you to locate your name, your account, and every other thing. That is what you can find on personal here. So take your time to explore this particular project. So here is their white paper. You can see the disclaimer and regulatory statement. They say that Sone Ki Chidiya, referred to as SKC, is a global decentralized community-driven Web3 digital ecosystem and wealth reconstructing network. They say that the system mechanism, technical architecture, tokenomics, lockup, release formula, risk controls, and roadmap outlined in this document represent the current state of technical implementation and community consensus. They say that the SKC ecosystem token, SKC, is a cryptographic utility token representing community contribution, weight, and ecological governance rights. So take your time and read more about their white paper. You are going to see the geographical history and the sovereign claim. So it is actually very good to start this particular platform. Take advantage of it, that it is still new. Many people don't know about it. So you have a higher chance to accumulate more SKC for the launch of this token. Take your time and read about it. The chapter 3 is about Web3 and original people's future. So read about it very well to understand the white paper. This is a very new project. If you are interested, download the app, use my invitation code. You can see my invitation code in the description of this video to receive the $20 worth of KSC sign up reward. If you don't use my invitation code, you will not receive that reward. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future crypto updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.